Stop wrapping your hair around like this if you want the best heatless curls possible. Try this instead. You'll wrap your first section of hair around like you normally would, but instead of following that same pattern with the next section of hair, you're going to grab a section from the back of your head and wrap it around in the opposite direction. So towards your face, underneath the robe or whatever you're using to curl your hair, and then back to this starting position, to the back of your head. Then you will pick up more hair each time you wrap it around and follow that same pattern until you reach the end. So with this front section, wrapping it around, then back to the front. Then we are picking up more hair from the back, wrapping it towards the front and around to the back. When you have no more hair to pick up, you will still follow the same pattern in terms of direction. You just won't pick up any more hair until you get to the very end, like that. The curls are nice and even. I don't have any of those weird heatless curl kinks. It's amazing.